In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit card payments on Booking.com. Whether you're a new host or a seasoned property manager looking to streamline your booking process, accepting credit card payments can significantly enhance your business operations, making it easier for guests to book and for you to manage transactions. Let's start by ensuring that your property is eligible for payments by Booking.com. This is an essential first step because only eligible properties can take advantage of this convenient option. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, we're ready to move forward with the opt-in process. To begin the opt-in process, you'll need to sign into your Extranet account. This is the management hub where you'll handle everything related to your property on Booking.com. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Finance tab. This section is crucial as it houses all payment-related settings and reports. You'll find prompts guiding you to opt into payments by Booking.com. Follow these instructions carefully and make sure to read any terms or conditions to fully understand the service you're enrolling in. Once you're all set up with the initial enrollment, it's time to configure your payment policies. Navigate over to the Property tab, where you can find a variety of settings related to your property details. Here, select the Policies option. It's important to set clear and enticing policies as these can impact guest decisions. Under the guest payment options, you'll need to select the option to accept credit or debit cards. This step is vital because it allows guests to seamlessly pay with their preferred method, enhancing their booking experience and increasing the likelihood of bookings. Now that you've configured your payment acceptance, let's move on to setting your payout preferences. Head back over to the Finance tab. Here is where you can manage how you receive the payments collected by Booking.com on behalf of your guests. You have a couple of options to choose from. You can select a virtual credit card, or VCC, which is a secure and flexible method, especially popular for its ease of use with online transactions. Alternatively, you might prefer a bank transfer, a direct deposit into your account. Choose the option that best fits your business needs and financial management style. Congratulations, you've now set up your property to accept credit card payments through Booking.com. This enhancement not only simplifies the booking process, but also improves your operational efficiency by handling payments in a reliable and professional manner. Make sure to keep an eye on your Extranet for any updates or changes regarding payment processes, so you can continue to provide a smooth and convenient experience for your guests. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hosting!